Hi, I'm Alan from Caravan Information Services. There is a lot to know with caravans, especially how to set up and use different parts. And that's why we've created an extensive how-to video section here on our website. In this video, we will show you how to connect the caravan to the electric hookup points and how to carry out some basic fault finding if things are not quite right.
The electrical system in your caravan has a number of components, all of which shouldn't require any maintenance or interaction. These components inside your caravan include a fuse box, an RCD breaker, the control panel, a leisure battery and the electrical hookup point. In some caravans there's also a solar panel and a controller too. Your caravan can operate most equipment using the leisure battery and gas, but there are a few items inside the caravan where you will need additional power. The electrical hookup point powers items like the fridge, the microwave, heating and hot water, and also the power outlets. And when connected to the electrical hookup point, it also charges your leisure battery too. An electrical hookup point varies in current from 6 to 16 amps, and as you can see this one is rated at 10 amps. The higher this rating means the more items that you can run. The electrical hookup cable simply plugs in, although some electrical hookup points require you to insert and twist in order for them to work. It's very important that the electrical hookup cable is fully uncoiled. A tightly coiled cable can create a magnetic field and heat, and in some cases, if the caravan is using large amounts of power, for example the heating and the hot water, the cable can melt and in some instances catch fire. So this is how you connect the power to the campsite in a safe manner. Plug the electrical hookup cable into your caravan first, then uncoil the cable behind the unit until you have a loose figure of 8 on the floor. Once you've got your loose figure of 8, go to the electrical hookup post and plug it in. Make sure that the cable is tucked away and isn't a slip or trip hazard. If there's any remaining loose cable at the back of the caravan, this can be tucked away under the unit. With the cable attached, turn on the master switch and then the power on the control panel, which is usually situated above the door of your caravan. You can test the caravan is working on the mains hookup by checking the microwave is operational or looking for the plug symbol on the heating panel. If the electrical system has tripped, check the RCD breaker first. All the switches should be in the up position, and if anything has tripped, one of those switches will be in the down position. If the switches are in the up position and there's still no power, check the electrical hookup post. Now these usually have a circuit breaker too, and check that all these are in the up position. If you are able to reset the post, then do so, otherwise contact the campsite warden. If the switches are all in the up position and there is still no power, check that the cable has not been disconnected from the post or the caravan. This can happen if the cable has been tripped over or moved. Otherwise check with the campsite warden that there is no power outage. In the event that there is no power getting to the caravan for a prolonged period of time, consider changing the fridge, the hot water and the heating over to gas as the primary fuel until the power is restored.
That's it for now. We hope you have found this video useful. Check out the other help and advice videos in the services on our website. And while you're there, why not join the UK's fastest growing caravan and motorhome community? We offer great membership perks, including live chat support with an engineer for specialist and emergency advice. Hope to see you soon. Happy caravanning.